start with the wing and we're gonna put a line on it. So you just wanna just dribble it like you're playing basketball all the way across. POV driving and stuff like that. Ooh. Hey, what's going on, guys? So I got me some wash and wax right here and some quick suds. We're gonna fill up the foam cannon with this. So I already put half quick suds in there, and we're gonna put some wash and wax. This is my first time washing the Camaro SS, me washing it, so gotta make sure I do this right. And we're ceramic coating it today, so I'm gonna show you all that process as well, so stay tuned. Next, guys, we're going to use this little spongy thing, I guess a little car wash rag or whatever you call it, and we're going to go across the whole vehicle like this, just kind of to get the soap mixed in, knock off any excess dirt or anything like that. So you just want to go all around the vehicle once with this, and y'all don't question my detail methods, because look, I've been doing this stuff for about 5 years, guys. I've been detailing for about 5 years. So yeah, y'all don't worry about, oh, you're not doing it right or anything like that. 'Cause guys, I know what I'm doing. Alright, so it's time to ceramic coat the Camaro. So we're gonna put towels all around the vehicle, and I'll show you guys why in a minute, why I do that. Start with the wing and we're gonna put a line on it. So you just wanna just dribble it like you're playing basketball all the way across. Alright, then you're gonna get you a rag like this, make sure it's folded in half. You're just gonna go back and forth and apply a lot of pressure until it disappears. So you get through every inch of the vehicle. You come over here, just like this, down and back, all the way across. Guys, so I'm finished ceramic coating the Camaro SS. So we're gonna show you guys a little bit of the car, how it looks around. And guys, like I said, y'all need to invest in some of this hydro slick chemical, guys, ceramic, guys. This stuff, it's just unbelievable. What's going on, guys? NAQ coaching here. Just now leaving the detail shop. I'm going to be showing my cameraman slash producer Young Slump the Camaro. He hasn't got to see the SS yet, so I'm going to show it to him, and we're going to get his reaction on here and see what he says about it. So yeah, let's hit this road and get on over to his crib and show him the Camaro. Because guys, it's just shining on these streets after getting ceramic coated. Like, I honestly don't see a harder hitting car out here. Most of the cars are still dirty because we had a crazy rain the other day. So yeah, we're just over here doing it, man. Cruising around, you know, living, excited. And so we gonna go ahead and hit up his crib, and I'll get you some POV driving and stuff like that. Ooh. And let's make it fun and exciting. So we got Young Slunt back on the channel, and he first time seeing the SS. So yeah, what you think about it, man?
I think it's pretty nice.
Hey, I know blue's your favorite color, man.
Yeah, I think it's pretty nice. You know, it went 0 to 60 in like just a few seconds, a few minutes ago. So
yeah, we don't got
pretty crazy.
He's pretty busy right now today, but yeah, I'm gonna take him back to his crib, and we're gonna definitely get some more car content in for you guys. Driving around, features of the SS. I'm gonna be doing video how to close the convertible top for people who might not know, and we just gonna be cruising around and just out here living. Let's do a little burnout for him at the stop sign.
All right.
Don't call the cops on us over here, but. Ooh, the whole car slid sideways, guys. That's crazy, right?
Yep. It smells like burnt rubber.
Yeah, burning rubber.
Ain't nothing like that. Burnt rubber on asphalt. I thought there was a dip for a second. I was like, wow.
Yeah, I need to get the exhaust done, guys, though. It does sound stock, so it's a lot, it sounds quiet, so.
I mean, it ain't all about the noise. If it can still perform, be quiet,
Yeah, we just gotta stay out the way of these police officers. They do be around these college campuses. Yeah.
Pull us over, give us a ticket for reckless driving.
Yeah, reckless driving in a drop top. What do you know, guys? What do you know?
Be recording them the whole time too.
Yeah, that'll be extra good content. Oh yeah, guys, also by the way, I got monetized on my Facebook for stars today. So hey, if you're a fan of mine, send me some stars. I may need it for some new tires or something. People can send me stars. So I'm gonna start live streaming more. We still gotta do that video game stream, man.
I gotta get back on my gaming, bro.
Yeah, you haven't been playing in a while?
I've been playing, but I've been playing all my old games on my PlayStation 2.
Oh, okay. Sweet. But yeah, man, we're back. We're gonna make a ton of car content and definitely do it. So do I miss my old car? Not really. I like this new one, so that's all that's important to me. And we're trying to turn on this busy street. At home, had a beautiful, amazing day, guys. I'm excited. I'm happy that we reached our goals today, guys. We got the Camaro ceramic coated, so it should be good 3 to 6 months. And also, I got to hang out with my producer a little bit, catch up on some ideas and stuff like that. Things that we have planned for the channel. So I'm very excited about that. And then also I got to see his reaction in the SS, and it was fun. It was fun. So yeah, my message today, guys, is hey, y'all keep pushing forward, keep chasing those dreams, goals, keep reading, keep praying, keep studying, just keep getting smarter by the day, guys. There's no limit to what you can do in 24 hours, guys. I'm in an SS now, guys. Got the blue seats to match. And I'm just excited, happy, and overall I'm blessed, guys. I'm really blessed, and just moments like these, heading home, the sun setting, it's just beautiful outside. Lets you know that, whatever you put into life, you'll always get back. So guys, don't y'all ever question or doubt yourself, guys. Don't you do it, because it's never worth it, to doubt
your abilities, whatever you may do, you know. So just some food for thought this evening. And like I said, it's just beautiful out here. I rolled the windows up a little, top still off, but just so there's not much mic noise, you know, wind. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below, what should I do first, my first mod for the Camaro SS? What should I do? Y'all let me know, because I really want to know, guys. And I'm still gonna do exhaust, cold air intake. What else am I gonna do to this car? Get it tuned. So I have a lot of plans with this car, but we got the first thing out of the way, ceramic coating. It has been ceramic coated, so I'm very happy about that. It's glossy, shiny, and I should have to reapply a ceramic coating for about 6 months. That's what it said. So you just do it twice a year, you know, just for the health of your paint. You know, make sure everything, you know, your paint is at 100% and stuff like that. So just wonderful and lovely out here. So hey, thank you guys for rocking with me this year. I know it's been a crazy year. You know, I was off social media for a few months, and boom, back on, you know, posting daily car content, stuff like that. And then boom, towards the end of the year, I get a Camaro SS. So I'm excited to see what is, you know, happening next on the channel. So don't, you know, give up on this channel. Tell your friends, hey, subscribe. You know, tell your family. Tell, you know, as many people as you know to subscribe. We are sitting at 2,072 subscribers right now. And hey, by the end of the year, my goal is to be at 10,000 subscribers. So if I have to do daily uploads, whatever I have to do, guys, hey, I plan on doing it. So shorts are great. You know, shorts are good. That's where I get 90% of my views from right now, are shorts. But hey, y'all keep tapping into these videos, guys, and I'll cover any topic that you guys want me to that's positive and uplifting. You know, I'm not gonna be on the channel acting crazy, doing anything like that. So, but yeah, beautiful afternoon in the SS, and I'm really just excited, you know, that in the last few years, my life took a tremendous turn. You know, I remember when I was driving around in buckets, you know, years ago. I would cruise around in buckets and stuff like that. But yeah, guys, y'all let me know in the comment section. Hear that V8? I got a V8. I got a V8. I got one. Yeah, so y'all let me know. So peace out, y'all. Enjoy y'all's evening.